We'll guide you through how to fix the game card could not be read error on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So what we need to do is go and take out the game card. So come to the game card like so, and then what you need to do is go and pop it out just like that. First of all, go to the back of the game card to where you've actually got the connectors. And a likely reason this is happening is because there's debris and just muck and dust on this. So what you want to do is go and clean it. To go and do that, I'm just going to go and use a cotton bud. And what I'll do is I'll just sort of slowly and gently just go and clean everything off of it, just like so. You could also go and use a soft brush as well, so make sure that's clean. Another thing you can do as well is go and open up the game cover, and what you want to do is use compressed air or just your mouth and just give it a good blow to clear any dust or anything like that, and also just check there's no sort of debris in there which could be causing the problem, right? Because something is stopping the connection. After you've done that, you can then go and put your game card back in, and hopefully you would have gone and fixed your problem. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.